In this video, I'll show you a quick and simple method to push the pistons back into the caliper using basic tools that most people already have at home. We're gonna be using the all brake pads to protect the caliper pistons from any scratch or damage. We're gonna place those brake pads back into the caliper, and if we have a little gap between them, we're gonna use a pair of screwdrivers, and carefully we're gonna pry against the brake pads. Instead of forcing one piston at a time, we're going to apply pressure gradually and evenly. This helps prevent one piston from moving while the other stays stuck. And that's how you can quickly push motorcycle brake caliper pistons back into the caliper using all brake pads and a couple of screwdrivers. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.